going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Boy working when checking in. Right here, guys, this is the 2022 Volkswagen Atlas SE. 2022 Volkswagen Atlas. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off this trim panel. I'm gonna also show you how to take off this handle and that mirror. We're gonna start with the trim panel, guys. Go ahead, guys, and get yourself a flathead screwdriver. Up underneath here, you're gonna take this piece out right here, this triangular square piece. Take that piece out. Okay, it's up on the knee here. You're gonna take that that started part. That is the started T30, guys. All right, it's a star T30. You're gonna turn it to the left and take it out. That's what it looks like, guys, the shiny screw. That's what it looks like. That's one. Okay? You're gonna go down here. Here's the next screw. There's a black screw down here. You're gonna use this and turn it. You're gonna turn it and leave it. You're gonna turn it to the left and leave it. Okay? Now that's one screw out. Got that screw out. Now, you're gonna take the flathead screwdriver. Jay, you unbelieve me? No. Take the flathead screwdriver, guys, and put it in the groove. And you're gonna pry it towards you. And then, get some space between it and hold it. Yeah, just like that. See, it comes off. Just like that. Free it up. Okay? Just like that. Now, if you want to hold it, guys, I'm going to go up with it. Just like that. Unplug it. Come on, man, come on. Piece of crap. Go ahead and unplug the tweeter wire. Okay, guys? Now, and let that sit there for a while. Do not unplug it as yet. Let it sit there for a while. Go ahead and take this piece off. Just like that. Comes off. Now, you guys see this wire? This wire is for the mirror. Go ahead and loose the wire. That's one. Take it out. Just like that. Now, go and take that piece out of there. Okay, guys, now it's time to take off the mirror. You guys see that big screw right there? You gotta get that screw from out of there. That is a 12-star star point. 12-star star point. Okay, guys, that is what that tool to loose that mirror. That is what it looks like. The 12 point. Okay? Put it in there. Hold the mirror, guys. Hold it. Take it out. Hold it. Take it out of there. Now, guys, listen. If you guys don't have this tool, just use a flathead screwdriver and stuck it in there and turn it to the left. Just use a flathead screwdriver and jam it in there and turn it to the left. Comes right out. Now, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to take off that handle. But first, before we do that, I'm gonna put this glass up. Okay guys, after you put the glass up, go ahead and unplug the harness for the trim panel. You see this pin clip right here? You're gonna push in the blue one and pick the pink one up. And it comes right out. See that? Comes right out. And so you take it out. On the side over there. Now guys, you guys see a little black tab right there? Go ahead and take the tab from there, guys. Take the tab out of there. It's two screws here, guys. You got a black screw and you got a shiny screw. You're gonna loosen both of those, guys. What size is this? It's a T20, guys, star tip, T20. You're gonna lose the black one and you're gonna lose the silver one. Turn those to the left. You're gonna lose the it doesn't matter which one you lose first. You're gonna turn them all the way until it stops turning. Stop right there, that's it. You're gonna use the flathead, guys. You're gonna open the handle. You're gonna keep the handle open just like that. Use the flathead and put it right between the crease of the first one. And pry it out. Now, if you iron it and it won't comes out, leave the flathead screw in it just like that with some pressure and turn it some more. Okay. Don't do that, buddy. Okay, guys. See? That's the plastic piece. That's the top piece that came off. That's one. That's it. It comes out. Just keep playing with it, guys. It comes right out, okay? Now the black one, you're gonna screw it back in some because you don't want it to fall out. That's it. Now this one, you're gonna put it backwards towards you. Just like that. Comes out. Then you're gonna unplug the wire. You're gonna push this red handle out. Then you're gonna unplug it. Push the red one out. It comes right out. See that? It comes right out, guys. It comes right out. All right. That's how you take out the handle, the mirror, and the trim panel. With that said, I'll catch you guys on the next video.